Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Reviews, and today we are covering some of the coolest bread machines on all of Amazon. And of course that list would not be complete if we did not talk about the Oster Express Bake bread machine. You guys, it's all in the name. What really sets this bread machine apart and why you are going to want to pick it up, especially if you are someone that is really busy and on the go, they have an express bake option that can get you fresh baked bread in under 1 hour. That is insane. I think other bread machines I've seen have those express bake options and they brag about we can have a loaf of bread in under 2.5 hours. This one, under 1 hour, that is crazy, lightning fast. You can have fresh bread anytime, and it's not something that you have to really plan out ahead of time, which is so convenient. But if you do want to plan ahead, it also has a 13-hour delay setting function to where you can put your ingredients in, put all your settings in, and delay the timer to start so you will have fresh bread whenever you need it, up to 13 hours later. There's tons of different settings for all of your favorite breads and all of your favorite doughs, all of your favorite pasta, jam, so much more. There is an indicator that is going to let you know whenever it's time to add in your fruit and nuts, which is a really fun feature because who doesn't want to add, you know, your raisins and your walnuts and all of the fun things to your bread. So that's really fun that it tells you exactly when the right moment to add those is. This is really easy to clean. It's 2-pound large capacity. This is an amazing bread machine, and especially the fact that it can have fresh bread ready for you in under 1 hour. This is the fastest I've ever seen. You guys, if you are busy, you are on the go, but you still want to make fresh bread, you still want to make healthier bread at home for your family, this is the machine for you. Check it out, put it in your cart, order it today. You're going to be so happy you did.